Everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since we were done with our sinusoidal graph and the basic terms we discussed in the oscillation or SHM chapter, if you haven't watched that video, go and kindly watch. So today we are going to solve some of the questions, basic questions to find the phase angle and to find the amplitude. Okay. So first question is basically if x is equal to 4 sine omega t. Now this is equation which is given. Find the value of phase angle. Find the value of phase angle and x is what? X is amplitude. Find the value of phase angle and x at time. Now the multiple times are given and you have to find a time is 0. Then at B you have to find time is t by 4. Like these are the multiple options, not options, but you have to solve each by using different time. Third time is t by 2. So yeah, 3 are enough. So let's solve. First I'm going to solve one for you guys and remaining you have to solve by your own. Okay. So first of all, as we said, the equation is what? First of all, we'll be writing to find the phase angle. So as I told you, we have the equation which is x is equal to x naught sine omega t. And here I told you in the previous lecture, this omega t is what? This omega t basically is phase angle. So actually we have to find this omega t. We have to find omega t. So first of all, we know the formula omega t, and omega is known as 2 pi by t. Omega is known as 2 pi by t and multiply by t. So since we are going to solve a number a, so here time is equal to 0. So omega t, okay wait, 2 pi 2 pi over t multiply by time is equal to 0. So whole term will be 0. Whole term will be 0. Okay, so this is what? This is the phase angle. Now you have to find out what? Now you have to find out amplitude. Now if I'm going to find out the x, so we know x is equal to x naught sine omega t. Okay, x is equal to x naught sine omega t. So the equation was given x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 sine omega t. So we'll be putting 4 over here. So it will be what? This means x naught is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 sine and omega t was the phase angle and which we found the phase angle what? 0. So sine 0 and we know when sine 0 is equal to we can say sine 0 is equal to 0. So this is 4 into 0 will be equal to 0. So here you can see x naught is 0 when time is equal to 0 means amplitude is 0 जब हमारे x is basically displacement is 0 when time is 0. Okay, so this is one I solved. I first of all I found out the phase angle and then the displacement. Let's do B part again for you guys, so it will be much more clear to you guys. So in the second part, the time is given and that is t by 4. Time is given and that is t by 4. So first of all, we are going to put omega t and we know the omega is equal to 2 pi by t and here t multiplied by time. Time is t by 4. T by 4. So we will cancel whatever it been cancel. T cancel t. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it will be what? It will be pi by 2. Pi by 2 and this pi by 2 is what? In the radian. You will get the answer into the radian and now you have to convert this radian into degree. because when we are going to find out the displacement, so we have to put the degree, not radian. So pi by 2. Now, as we all know, to convert anything from radian to degree, कोई भी चीज अगर हमें convert करनी हो रेडियन से डिग्री के अंदर, तो what do? We basically multiply the equation by 180 upon pi. जैसे कि I have a equation which is pi by 2. Now I will multiply this equation by what? By 180 upon pi. By 180 upon pi. So pi cancel with pi. 2 ones are 2, 2 90s are 180. So here I got 90 degree. So I got 90 degree. Now if I'm going to find out the displacement, so x is equal to x naught sine omega t, and here in the equation the x naught is given, and this is x naught, which is what? Which is 4. Which is 4. So we will put here, so x is equal to 4 and sine 90, because the w omega t we found the phase angle, which was uh, pi by 2, which was in radian, and when we convert the radian into degree, it was 90 degree. So we know sine 90 is equal to what? Sine 90 is equal to 1. So it is 4. So hence we can say when the x is 4 meter, x is 4 meter at time t by 4. जब हमारे पास टाइम t by 4 होगा तब हमारे पास x क्या है? 4 मीटर है, which is the maximum. Which is what? Maximum. So through this you can find also C, and if I can give you one more, which is D2, you have to do these two by your own. So T is equal to 3T by 4. Okay, solve these two and just answer into the comment box. So now we are moving towards question number 2. Question number 2 is also very easy. So yeah, wait. Question number 2. Question number 2 is nothing, but here we will only use the cos theta. Since we use sin theta in question number 1, here we will solve this question by using cos theta. So equation is x is equal to 8 cos omega t. Now 8 here is x naught, means amplitude. Now you have to find same phase angle w omega t, and you have to find what? You have to find x. You have to find basically x at time t, and time is given. Time A option is time 0, B is t by 4, C is t by 2. So okay, I'm going to for only A option, so you can do by your own B and C. So how you will find? First of all, we will write the equation, which is x is equal to cos omega t. So first of all, we have to find the phase angle. So omega t, and here omega is we know 2 pi by t, and t first of all we are going to find when t is equal to 0. Time is equal to 0, so multiply by 0. So when we multiply it by 0, oh shit, wait a second. Perfect. When you multiply it by the 0, so our answer will be x is equal to 8 cos 0. And we know cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is equal to what? Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. So here um, we can say x is equal to 8 at time 0. x 8 के बराबर है जब टाइम हमारे पास क्या है? 0 है, क्योंकि वी नो कोस थीटा का जो ग्राफ है वो एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन से शुरू होता है, मींस फाइनल पोजीशन से शुरू होता है. If I can solve for B option too, so B option, first of all time is given, which is t by 4. Okay, time is given, which is t by 4. So here you can see omega t will be equal to 2 pi by t multiplied by time is t pi by 4. T cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 2 the 4. This is pi by 2 and pi by 2 I converted it into the first question. It is 90 degree. 90 degree. So if I can find out the x, so x is equal to x naught cos omega t and omega t is given. So here we can say 8 x naught is at cos omega t is for 90 degree. Now we all know cos 90 is equal to what? Cos 90 is equal to 0. Cos 90 0 के बराबर होता है, तो when we multiply it with 0, so answer will be 0. So here you can see when time is t by 4 means when time is maximum, so the x is 0. So here these are the opposite, because as we said k x theta, sin theta and cos theta are opposite, so hence these questions also prove that the answer is also opposite. So I hope it is clear, and in the lecture another class we will discuss about SHM. Till that, bye bye.